Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, WA Electronics. Today we have something really exciting for all electronics engineers, technicians, and hobbyists. We are going to unbox and review the FNIRSI LC1020E high-precision handheld digital bridge LCR ESR tester. This compact meter promises professional-level accuracy, automatic component detection, multiple test frequencies, and a dual-parameter display, all packed inside a portable, rechargeable design. Let's check it out. Inside the box, here's what we get: the FNIRSI LC1020E LCR meter itself. A pair of Kelvin test clips for high-precision measurements, standard test leads, red and black, a USB Type-C cable for charging and PC connection, a shorting plate for calibration, and, of course, the user manual. Everything you need to get started right away is included in the package. The LC1020E has a compact handheld design with a 2.8-inch TFT color display. The screen can show two parameters at once, for example, capacitance with ESR or resistance with Q factor. On the bottom, you'll notice dual test ports, a 3-terminal port for quick testing, and a 5-terminal port with 4-wire Kelvin support, which is perfect for eliminating lead resistance error during precise measurements. The body feels solid, and with its built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, it's portable enough for lab, production, or even field use. Now let's talk about what makes this meter special. High precision. It offers up to plus or minus 0.05% accuracy with a 4.5-digit resolution. That's 10 times better precision than many budget LCR testers. Auto identification. The meter can automatically recognize whether you've connected a resistor, capacitor, or inductor, saving time during testing. Flexible test frequencies and voltages. You can test components at 5 frequencies: 100 Hz, 120 Hz, 1 kHz, 10 kHz, and 100 kHz with 3 selectable test voltages: 0.1 V, 0.3 V, and 0.6 V. Sorting and comparison mode. You can set a nominal value with a tolerance, and the meter will give you an audio-visual pass-fail indication. This is especially useful for batch testing in production lines. Dual parameter display. The screen shows the main measurement, L, C, R, or Z, along with secondary parameters such as ESR, dissipation factor, D, quality factor, Q, reactance, X, or phase angle, theta. Calibration functions. Open and short calibration ensures accurate, repeatable results. Data hold and logging. You can freeze a measurement on screen or even record pass-fail counts in logging mode. This is a lot of functionality in such a small handheld device. Let's put the LC1020E to the test. First, I'll connect a capacitor. As soon as I clip it in, The meter automatically identifies it and shows both the capacitance value and ESR. Next, let's try a resistor. Again, instant recognition, showing both resistance and the Q factor. Finally, an inductor. The display shows the inductance value, and in the secondary parameter, we can see the dissipation factor. Switching test frequencies is very simple, and you can immediately see how the measurement changes at different frequencies, which is super useful when working with inductors and capacitors. Pros and cons. Here's what I like about the FNIRSI LC1020E. Extremely high accuracy for its price. Auto component detection saves time. Multiple test frequencies and voltages give flexibility. Pass-fail sorting is excellent for batch work. Dual ports with Kelvin support make it very versatile. Long battery life and portable design. Things to keep in mind. The max frequency is 100 kHz, so it's not suitable for RF components or very high-speed circuits. The accuracy is listed as ± 0.05% in highlights, but the spec sheet mentions 0.3% basic accuracy, something to note when comparing with high-end benchtop LCR meters. The screen is small compared to desktop units, but for a handheld, it's still quite good. Overall, the FNIRSI LC1020E is a feature-packed, high-precision handheld LCR ESR tester. It's affordable, portable, and powerful enough for lab testing, production sorting, and field diagnostics. If you're looking for a reliable LCR meter under $70, this one is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electronics reviews and tutorials. I'll leave a link to the FNIRSI LC1020E in the description below in case you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.